Everyone's chasing full frame in 2025, but I showed up with a 12-year-old Sony RX100 Mark II with a 1-inch sensor. It was my first time meeting Patrick. We met on YouTube and we showed up, cameras in hand, ready to go. If you're interested in looking at some of the raw images from this camera, I'll leave them in the description below, and let's dive in. That's kind of cool, actually. I feel like if people can fill that frame for me.
What about long shadows? Trying to get like when people walk by the shadows.
Oh, I see. I feel like that guy was a whole vibe right there, and it was super cool.
Did you get one?
I actually haven't reviewed, but I feel like
Damn, that's good.
I actually got you sniping them too.
Oh, yeah.
The lighting's really good here. Okay, this is new. Drop detected. Turn power off, then back on, and I did not drop it. So that's what you get for buying off Marketplace.
Somebody with like just character right there.
I actually feel like this angle could be good too, especially if I split this. That's kind of sick. Ooh, interesting. I feel like I got that one. Yeah, like pretty quick. No, like check that.
Oh, nice. You got like your
In the shadow, yeah.
That's sweet.
I hate asking, but it goes a really long way if you could just leave a like. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, and let's dive back in. Is that ever cool? I'm pretty excited on this one. I've been waiting for a little bit, and boom. Just missed, but that's kind of cool. We already got the ice cream shop, but I feel like that's a vibe. That's kind of cool. The light's hitting that mural nice. I hate that the parking lot's there. That kind of fucks it up for me. This drop detected thing's getting old real quick. There's like a wet paint sign here, and then really nice lighting. And I need someone to walk through. Go see Patrick here. I feel like me shooting you. Oh, buddy.
Yeah, I know.
What on earth? Okay, Patrick just found the mother load. I don't know if you can see that, but essentially, he probably has the banger, but what I'm gonna do is just gonna give you guys an idea. And then over here is badass as hell because these guys are having a dart. Okay, I tried really hard to get this shot from a wide perspective, and I mean it was okay, something like this, but so yeah, it is a Saturday night, and people are starting to hit up the bar, so some cool silhouettes with the backlight here. Oh my god, dude, that's so good. Bird?
No, the plane.
Yeah, that is true actually. I know who you're talking about. Do you ever see Vader? Kind of like open your shoulders up, yeah. And then just, yeah, look down into the lens. It's kind of fun. Oh, that's cool with the shadow here. Do you both want to lean up against the wall there? Hey, come on, model. Yeah, this guy's got it. A 12-year-old camera, a new friend, and a street full of stories. Proof that you don't need the latest and greatest to make something real. We'll see you in the next video. Maddie out. Peace.